Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is Industrial Doggo. Today we have a Matchbox. It's a Ford Matchbox 1983 Ford Fiesta Mark II. It says 2023. The back of the package says 2024. So this is one of the newer ones. I have a couple newer ones. So anyway, let's just rip into this box. And that didn't work. It never works. Oh yeah, and so it has a picture of the car on it. Oh, I like that. So here is the car. Nice green color. Pretty good interior, I'd say. Nice detailing on the back. It's got headlights. It says Fiesta on the back. Ford Fiesta Mark II. You can see the interior, which is actually really nice. It's got headlights and the Ford logo on the front. I believe it's right-hand drive. Pretty cool though. The interior is awesome. I still can't get over how somewhat detailed this is compared to some of the other ones that I have. Wheels. The wheels are nice. And 1983 Ford Fiesta Mark II. This is 2023 on the base. I don't know if they ever used this casting or not. I don't usually buy Matchbox cars new, but I like this little Ford, so I got it. So anyway, this has been Industrial Doggo, signing out with another video.